Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of 101 Mondays. If you are an owner of a workspace and want more control over how your workspace operates, from managing members, creating agent groups, optimizing conversations, setting up business hours, and seeing some edit logs, then today's tutorial is just for you. We are walking you through with all of these essential features in detail, one by one. Let's dive in. Scroll down on the left sidebar and see the workspace settings. First, we will see the profile. And inside the profile, you can add a logo to the workspace. You can see your workspace ID. You can give it a name. And then you can select the time zone. And this time zone will be followed in the live chat as well as to setting up data time triggers. Second, we have different themes inside the flow builder. You can select and use any of the one. Second, we have members. Inside the members, you can invite any other person with different roles like admin, member, supervisor, or agent according to their permissions. Right. Next, we have agent groups. So this is the most game changer for the live chat support. You can create here multiple groups. Let's say you can create a general support group. You can create a billing group. You can create a technical group and add members here. If we create a group, we can add an image. We can give it a name. Here we have assigning methods. And here you can assign to users as per their presence. And after that, here we have a group chat option. So there is an agent group chat. So you can include this one inside the agent group chat, or you can turn it off. Here you can include members inside this group, and we have wait. If wait is 0, it means that this user is inside the group, but there is no conversation assigned to this person. And if the weight is higher, let's say from this person, then we prioritize to assign more conversations to this person that have higher weight as compared to others. Next, we have business hours. So according to your business, you can set up your timings, and then this will help out you in your flow. You can use a condition node, and there is a Boolean field is working hours. So this will help you to check it out. The user is coming to you is inside the business hours or not. Next, we have store location. You can add multiple locations here. And again, if you go inside the flow builder, we have store location API action in the advanced actions. So you can there use and fetch the locations, and you can compare users coordinates with the coordinates you have, and then you can fetch the nearby location and send it to the user. Next, we have settings here. First, we have the media library setting. Next, we have live chat sidebar, collaborators, conversation mode, agent office hours. So we will go one by one. First, we have media library. When you turn this on, and then there is any media that is uploaded by the agent, so you can track who is going to upload this media. You go to my content, go to media library, and here you can see the icons. Okay, so this means that this person uploaded this media. Next, we have live chat sidebar. If you go to the live chat, so we have this live chat section. If we click on it, so we can see the conversation. Here is the sidebar. Basically, we can have different filter options. So we can see here multiple agents. We can see agent groups. We can see statuses and multiple things, right? And here is the channels. We can select different channels and then go to their live chats. With these channels, we have option of boards. Second, we can see both users, and also we can see analytics. Okay. So now, if you go to the dashboard and enable this one, single board style, and save it, and go back to the live chat, so then this preview will be changed. So now you have here option to select the different boards you have, and once the board is selected, then you go to the live chat. You can see all the board users. You can see boards. You can see analytics. And one more thing, we have content. Here you can see your user fields, your board fields, your tags, message templates, and so on. Go back, and you can also disable the live chat sidebar. This one. Okay. If we turn it on and we can save it, then this sidebar will be hidden. So now we have no sidebar. And also on the live chat, if we see, so there is an unreplied option. If you want to hide this one also, you can go there and click on it. So this will hide that unreplied option from here. Okay, so you can customize your live chat accordingly as per your need. Next, here we have collaborators. So when this is on, it means that by default, there is one person assigned to one chat. But when you turn on this option, then you can add multiple members to the same conversation, but their role now will be the collaborators. Inside the live chat, you can open any chat, and here is the option, and you can add different members as a collaborator inside the same conversation. So now they have access to the same conversation. Go back, and now we have here conversation mode enabled. So this is basically specifically to track agent's performance. So here there is a timeout session also. When this is closed and if the board user sends a message within this time, so this will reopen and counted it. And if the user is sending after the 10 minutes, then this will be counted as a new conversation. So this way we are counting conversation modes. Here we have agent office hours. To track agent performance, you can set up timings, and then with this way you can check their performance, that this user is coming on the time and then he is dealing or not, and all the stuff in the analytics. So we have analytics here. You can see different analytics reports by conversations, by responses, and so on. You can see multiple reports here. Second, inside the board, if you go, this is the workspace report, by the way, and if you open the board, and there is also analytics, and you can see detailed report there. If we go back again to the workspace setting, and that's done. In the next section, we have channels. So now we can see here multiple channels, right? And if we turn off here, let's say I'm not wanting to see SMS and I update it, then that channel will be removed from your sidebar. Let's say I'm not going to use this one, I update it, so that is removed. And at the last, we have edit logs. So inside your workspace, you can see multiple things. Here, who is the person gonna be do the action? And here is multiple action, here is multiple subjects. So all the things that is happening inside of your workspace, you can see here all the logs, whether it's creating a user or it's creating any action node or something. You can see all of the changes here, each and every stuff, right? So that's all for the live chat setting. If you have any questions, drop them in comments. We are here to help. See you in the next one. Bye.